So if you accidentally removed or deleted an app from your iPhone and now you want to recover the deleted app, here's the easiest way to easily recover any deleted app on iPhone. First of all, let's delete this RAR and zip file app from my iPhone. So I'm going to deleting this app. Once the app deleted, now I'll show you how to easily recover this app. To do that, on your iPhone, just go to App Store and make sure to sign into your account. Now just tap on your profile photo and here tap on Apps. Tap on My Apps and here go to Not on this iPhone section, and here you will find all of your uninstalled or deleted apps. So as you can see, here is the app that I just uninstalled, RAR and zip file app. So all you have to need, just tap on this download icon next to the specific app that you want to recover currently, and here you can see the app is reinstalling. So all you have to need, if you've uninstalled apps in past 30 days, then all you have to need, just scroll down and here we can see date for each deleted apps. Just find out the date and go to the date list, and you will be able to easily find out a specific old deleted apps, and just tap on this download icon to reinstall the app on your iPhone. Once installed, just tap on open and the open app will be open on your iPhone.